Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install the YouTube app in Windows 11. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. It could be Google Chrome, okay, Brave, Edge, whatever. Okay, and then just type down youtube.com. Hit on enter, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, as you can see here at the very top or at the top right from the address bar, you'll find an install button. So what you'll do is just click on it and then just click on install. All right. And as you can see here, when you go and close Google Chrome from the background, you now have a YouTube shortcut. You can move it wherever you want. I'm just going to close this one just for you to see. I'm going to double click on it and it will just open up a browser-based app or whatever you want to call it. Okay, just basically log in right here. And then after that, enjoy YouTube and enjoy watching any content that you love from here. That is it. That's how simple it is to install YouTube app in Windows 11 for laptop or even desktop. I hope this video helped and I'll see you in the next one.